Alright, so in this video, we're going to go from this, yuck, to this. Ooh, nice. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is tear out the carpet, pull up all the staples, and then of course clean up. Then I'm going to pop off the stair treads and replace them with oak stair treads. I considered putting caps on these stair treads, but just to replace the stair tread is $1 each more. So for $8 more, I could do the whole thing.
Okay, after the carpet is torn out, I'll go ahead and pull up the tack strips and the padding. And then of course, sweep all that, clean that up.
Okay, so I primed the risers. I've left the steps on for right now. I'll pop those off when it gets closer to time to lay down the new ones. What I'm planning on doing is cutting the new ones to size and staining them and then putting them down, taking these out and putting those down. So next I'll be painting the risers, and then hopefully we can get on to the steps. Alright, so got the width cut of the stair treads already. Now I'm cutting the depth. Recommended is usually about 1 inch to 1.5 inches overlap from the risers. Mine originally had about 1 inch, and I'm going to match it up with this right here. Match it up down there with that molding. And again, I'm doing it this way because I live up there. My master bedroom's upstairs, so I want to get this cut, painted, and ready to mount down before I pop the old treads off. Not the best way to do it, but I like to sleep in my bed at night. So I've already got my table saw set up for the correct width, but just to make sure I got it all right, what I'm doing is I'm taking the treads, flip them around, button them up against that, and go ahead and mark them. Like so. And then I just compare it to the fence on my saw, just to make sure everything's still cool. So I'll take it out in the garage and saw it, and I'll be right back. There's my mark. And I hold in my hand the last one to be cut. Alright, the risers have been painted. I've painted and, well, I've stained and clear coated the treads. They're ready to go down. So now I just got to pull the old treads up and put the new ones down. So let me have a hammer. It's hammer time! Victory! Jeez, man. And the old treads are all out, so time for a little bit of cleanup, and I'm going to vacuum all that up so that I can start putting down the new treads. Alright, so now it's time to put the treads on. I'm going to test fit them one last time, then nail them and glue them. I should be gluing now. Then I'm going to nail it and then glue it. Alright, so now it's time to put the treads on. I'm going to test fit them one last time, then nail them and glue them. I should be gluing now. Then I'm going to nail it and then glue it. Oh, Love it. Alright, so here goes. Kneeler turned up. There we go. Nice new oak treads. Let's come back and touch up just a little bit. It all looks pretty good.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel. Maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching.